cover. We're a little tight on time, but we might have time for one or two questions from the viewers. So let me check back with the team if there's anything they want to show. Here we go. Philippe asks, are any file in the loop features planned?
We are planning to work on enabling better support for binary data in tools so that the agent can pass binary data to and from tools. So not specifically around human in the loop or file in the loop, but yes, we are thinking to improve file handling with
few hundred, a few thousand rows tops, then it makes a lot more sense to use a data table.
Yeah. All right, cool. One more question, guys. Ooh, long one. Configuration for file size limit would be really useful. I tend to delete ID -50 in a certain workflow when I insert as a data table, but this control depends on the success of execution. Not sure I follow completely. I know there's a 50 megabyte limit on data tables, which you can configure, by the way. So
not quite sure I understand that either. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Let's skip that one. All right.